experiencing heartbreak, you're like, see, this love of a thing is not for me. Based on your experience, okay, I understand. You're like, you have put in a whole lot trying to build a relationship, but after everything, they will still come around to backstab you, to actually break your heart. Okay, even when you are the good person, you are doing everything humanly possible to make everything work. Okay, even dance to her tune and all that, just so that everything work. No, don't chase after love anymore. Okay, don't also give up on love, but watch this video to the end. You're going to understand two things. These are two things that will help you, and they will be chasing you. They will be running after you, and you'll be the one to say no, I don't want you guys. This is the person I want, based on who you want and the kind of person that you want. What are the two things I'm talking about? Number one is invest in yourself. Please don't miss number two. Okay, number one is invest in yourself. Please love yourself more, invest in yourself more. When I said investing in yourself, I am not only talking about building a goal, building a dream for yourself, building a life for yourself in terms of maybe working and all that. Also, understanding who you are and things that works for you and the kind of person that you want. You need to sit down and think about who you are and think about the kind of things that works for you if you haven't yet. Okay, invest in yourself in the aspect that you are going to build things that makes you happy. You are going to build things that makes you better. Also, sit down and think about those things that you do that you know are not good, are not actually okay. Work on those things, okay, to actually better those things. Yes, those things might be an inner trait, but you can work on it to make yourself a better person. So work on yourself, invest in yourself, love yourself, okay, build yourself. That's the first thing. And the second one is go according to the flow, okay? Reciprocate based on who what you are seeing or what you are getting. Don't actually put in too much when you don't even get anything from that particular person, okay? If you see a person and they don't even care about you, don't put in time, don't even give you the attention, care, or even their time. Please don't also. But if you see that person that's genuine and you love her, she loves you, she's giving back, give back. Do not invest or do things to someone that does not deserve it. That's the two things. Okay. If you can build yourself, please reciprocate, give back that energy the way it is. Don't go about chasing after someone that is not yours. Okay. You notice a lady that you are picking interest in, but when you approach her along the line, notice that she's not reciprocating. Get going rather minute. If she's calling once in a day, please also call once in a day. If she's putting in interest, please put in interest. Okay. If she's putting it in her time to actually spend time with you, care and all that, do same. But if she said she does not care based on maybe through her attitude, through her every other thing that she does, give in back. I don't want to talk too much about today's video. These are the two things that you need when you have always been experiencing a whole lot of okay, it's not working, and you're like, what do I do? These are the three things that you need. First, build yourself. And when you're building yourself, you need to take care of those things that you think that are imperfect in your life, right? To be able to make it better. Okay, because there are things that are inbuilt in you, but you know that it's not actually working, it's affecting your relationships. Okay, so help yourself to actually work on those things so that you can control those things and not those things controlling you. Make yourself a better person, invest your time and money and everything in you. Okay, take care of yourself, your health, your appearance. Okay, you are every other thing. Invest in yourself the way you can. Okay, love yourself more. Okay, now, the second thing is reciprocate the energy. Okay, give back what you're getting. Don't give too much to someone that does not deserve it. If you do these two things, the right person is going to come your way. No doubt. Okay, the right person will pursue you because they know you are the prize. Okay, they know that you are the value, right? So they will chase the right person will come and you will keep that person. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I never wanted this video to be long. See you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. Okay, bye. See you later.